सरकार सन्मानाक तत्वता मान्यताय दिवन मेकळो जाला, पूण थळावो आमदार प्रवीण आर्लेकाराचो सन्मानाक आशिल्लो विरोध अजूनय कायम आसा. आमदार प्रवीण आर्लेकार सांगता सन्मानाच्या विरोधात तो खंय अजूनय लोकां वांगडा आसा. सन्मानाचो विशय आयज कोर्टानूय चर्चेक आयिल्लो. ह्या प्रकरणाची फुडली सुनावणी शुक्रारा दवरल्या.
सर, सन्मानाक तुम्ही लोकां वांगडा रावता म्हटलेले, अजूनय लोकां वांगडा आसा.
Arguments started today. It continued till afternoon, and the matter is fixed on now Friday for further arguments. That is what has happened. The petitioner has not completed his arguments. After the petitioner completes, we will start arguing our case. The director has stayed the resolution of the Gram Sabha, which was passed, saying that no permission should be granted as far as this festival is concerned. The grounds which are taken by the director is that Gram Sabha does not have such a power, because the power given to the Gram Sabha is restricted. Rest of the power is with the Panchayat body. That is one ground. Second ground is, before passing such a resolution, a person against whom the resolution is passed is never issued any notice. So without hearing that person, how could the Gram Sabha pass such a bold and a sweeping resolution? These are grounds on which the director has passed an order. And the matter is, I think it was there today. I don't know what is the next date given in that case, or what has happened today before the director. I am not aware.